Hi guys, this is Steven Bauer here. Today we're going to test all the smoke detectors in the house. I mean all 3 of them. Let me make sure that, and there's people outside over there, but I'm still going to do it. I don't think they can hear it from in here. We're going to start with this one. This one's the one that I showed you in one of my previous videos. It's a smoke and carbon monoxide detector combo right here. So, let's test it. See if I can hold the camera and do this.
Fire.
As you can hear, it's going off right now and it's loud.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
And it's gonna make one more weird sound before it stops. That. Okay, let's move on to our next arm. That's the one in the hallway. This is also a kitty too. This one, so let's test it. There. And last but not least, another kitty. This is a carbon monoxide detector, so let's test it. That's weird. Oh, it's weird. There's a weird glitch. How that green light came back on when it was still going into alarm. It doesn't usually do that. You know, I'm gonna test it again. I want to see something here. Wait until that green light goes solid again. It takes about a minute. But we're gonna try it one more time and see if it does that weird thing that it did again. Let's try it one more time. Here we go. Let's see here. And it, see? Did you see that? Now let's wait for the light to turn solid again. Then I'll stop the video. Right now it's resetting. Come on. It takes a minute. Should be reset. There we go. Alright. Now I want to show you something, guys. I have an old carbon monoxide detector in my fire alarm collection. And yes, I have a fire alarm collection too, but this is from 1998. I want you to hear this thing. I want you to hear this thing. This thing's really loud too. It's a Nighthawk. Listen. Hear it, guys? Hear how loud this thing is? Let me unplug it. But yeah, there you guys go. And there's one of my smoke detectors in my collection. I'll make it, and there's one of my Simplex 494-9 236 horn strobes, which I'll make a collection video another time. But have a great day, everybody. Bye bye.